Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphilayo. Mina ngizokucela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze ulungele-ke laphana-ke ungixhase ucindezeleke ibhathini subscribe nje, awubizi imali, kumahhala nje okhipha nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze zingakuphuthi lezi ndaba ongawenza-ke njengamanje ukuthi-ke ucindezeleke ibhathini u-subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba-ke ekulethele lona namhlanje lapha seriphotiwe-ke laphana-ke omunye umlisa-ke ungene laphana-ke ku-Facebook wabhala-ke enye-ke iposti-ke laphana-ke ethela-ke i-M_K ngamaxhaphazelo-ke laphana igama le-M_K lithela ngamaxhaphazelo-ke. Le posti uma ngikufundela yona-ke ibithi, I have recovered my stolen generator. Thanks to everyone who helped. The thugs were Ntuthuko Kasela from Inanda and Victor from Potchefstroom. The buyer was a businessman with a tavern from Verulam who is also a fake traditional healer and now a member of the MK party. Now they know who I am. Kwase kwafaka-ke isithombe-ke laphana-ke se-generator-ke enkulu-ke laphana-ke. Lo mlisa-ke ukhala nge-generator yakhe-ke etshontshiwe-ke laphana-ke etshontshiwe-ke umlisa-ke waseNanda-ke nowase-Potchefstroom-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke umuntu othenge le generator-ke umuntu-ke oyinyanga-ke eyi-fake-ke laphana futhi-ke oyimemba-ke ye-M_K party-ke laphana-ke. Mina sengicela lapha singene ema-comment section for usho umbono wakho ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lokho-ke ukuthi wena-ke ucabanga kanjani-ke. Bese nebhathini nje subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhipha nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke ngiqhubeke ngilokhu ngilethela zonke-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli.